talked a lot about treating it like any other regatta. We've sailed against most of these teams throughout the season, both the fall and the spring, and obviously there's added pressure, and we've had a great season and we want to live up to those expectations. But at the same time, it's another regatta. It's nice to have, you know, we had a day here to kind of get a lay of the land during semis, so that was nice. But otherwise, these are great people we're sailing against. Thankfully, we've sailed against them before, and we're just trying to take it kind of race to race.
Yeah, it's nothing we haven't seen before, so we're just focused on one race at a time.
It's really a lot of fun to connect the puffs. You know, it's a lot of strategy and tactics involved in making sure that you're staying in the breeze, staying on the lifted tack, and just connecting the puffs. And it's pretty interesting the way that the puffs are filling in the lake, because they're coming down the cove, and at first looks like they may be coming down one side, but then by the time they get here, it ends up filling on the other. They really gotta watch what's going on.